Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to speed up a video here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To speed up a video here in Adobe Premiere Pro, you just have to follow these simple steps. Alright, number one is import your video here in Adobe Premiere Pro. In my case, I'm going to be using this clip as an example. Now, there are a couple of ways to do it. Number one option is going to be pressing the Control plus R2 on your keyboard or Command plus R if you're using Mac. What will happen is a small window will appear that says clip, speed, and duration. As you can see right now, the speed is in the normal, which is 100. And if you want to increase this to maybe 600, you can do with that. All right, you see? But the thing is, the clip has been reduced to a smaller file. You see that? Why? Because if you play it in normal video or normal speed of the video, that's the normal speed and you have increased it. So that's the reason for that is the clip was shortened because you have speed up the video. So I'm gonna do that right now. If you want to reduce the speed of all the clips together, all you have to do is select all of them, right click, there should be an option that says speed and duration. If you do that, another window will pop up like this and you can increase the speed to up to, let's say this time just about 300. Remember, the clips will be shortened if you click the OK button. All right, and of course, you just have to drag them all together to create a seamless kind of effect. So let's put that together. And there you go. That's the speed up version of the clips that we are doing. All right. Now, another option that we can do is, after that, right click on the timeline and show clip keyframes. If you do that using the time remapping, if you click the speed button, you can do that on all of the clips here that you have. What will happen is, you see, now you can adjust the speed over time by adding time keyframes. All right, that's one of the easiest way to playback and fine-tune your clips as opposed to just speeding up here in Adobe Premiere Pro. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.